Good day, sir. I am Cadet Midshipman Mislang, and this is my video clip about sexually transmitted disease infections in the maritime industry. STDs and STIs pose a significant concern in the maritime industry, affecting the health and well-being of seafarers. The confined living spaces, long voyage, and limited access to healthcare facilities create an environment where STDs can spread. Crew members, often away from home for extended periods, may engage in risky behaviors during shore leave. Inadequate awareness and education about safe practices contribute to the problem. Employers in the maritime sector must prioritize comprehensive sexual health education, regular medical checkups, and accessible protection methods to mitigate the impact of STDs and STIs and promote the overall health and safety of seafaring professionals.